Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at SosoValue update, the airdrop eligibility criteria, and the new task alert. New task has been added to this project, and if you are farming this project, you need to be extremely serious. Take it extremely serious. This project is going to go live in Q1 2026, which is very near. Those people that participated in season 1 really made money from SosoValue, and SosoValue is also going to do well for this season 2, so do not joke with it. So here, just log in. If you can't log in, force the app, hold your app and force it to stop. Once you force it to stop, you'll be able to log in to your app. And also, I will also show you an update. They say that they are going to on maintenance as from 9th to 10th. So as from 9th, if you experience that you can't log in or perform any tasks in the app, do not worry. They have made it clear in their channel that they are going for maintenance. So here is their latest update concerning that. And right now, I'm going to show you the airdrop eligibility criteria. The first thing you need to do is that you must make sure that you have reached V2. V2 is the airdrop eligibility criteria. Some people were disqualified in season 1 because they did not meet up with their V1. So make sure you are in V2 for you to be able to claim this, be among the people that will share this 30 million SosoValue airdrop. This 30 million SosoValue airdrop, will be able to share it only if you reach this V2. If you did not reach V2, all your handwork will end, will just go like that. So take it extremely serious. That is for you to join the affiliate program. Only this will guarantee you to join the affiliate program. So here you are going to see the bonus taxes. These are an avenue for you to meet up. If you are consistent in this project, you are going to reach that V2. You follow them on S, you follow this particular GMM audition on S, and you are going to earn 5,000 ESP. So do this. Now if you go to this one, you also follow them. I have done this one. So the major task alert here is the starter pack. This, look at it, they say SosoDex. Join SosoDex testnet whitelist. You need to join their SosoDex whitelist. Click on join. Once you click on join, it's going to take you to the whitelist SosoDex testnet. You have to join, and not just joining. Now look at it, they say connect your wallet, early access, big reward. Connect wallet for you to join SosoDex testnet. Now you click on connect wallet. You can use either MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any of the Web3 wallets of your choice. Let me use MetaMask. So it's going to redirect you to your MetaMask, whereby you log in and connect your wallet. Can you see? Account 1, testnetsosodex.com. This is the website. So you click on connect. Permission updated. I'm going to wait for it to connect. Now you can return to the app. That means it's already connected. I can now return to the app. Let's go back to the app. Now, use of terms and services, click on this, then you accept. Approve in wallet. Can you see? Requesting network, Ethereum, requesting form, connecting. By connecting your wallet to the website, please agree that this and that. Just read and acknowledge the stuff. Then you click on confirm. Now you can return what network successfully approved. So you have connected my wallet now. Now I'll go back. Now once you do that, you now say thank you for your interest in SosoDex. If you have already submitted the application for, rest assured that we are in the whitelist queue. We are gradually expanding access every Monday at 12 o'clock p.m. UTC. Not whitelisted for SosoDex yet, don't worry, you still have time. Click to enter the whitelist. So now I have joined Soso. Now I'll click on join. So it is going to redirect you to the SosoDex mainnet. You click on join. So right now I have successfully joined. I have joined the waitlist right now. So after you joined, you come back here and wait for the countdown Once the countdown finish, you'll be able to claim the 5,000 ESP. So this is a starter pack task. You need to do this. You need to do this, and also you need to buy SosoValue desk, and it's going to give you 150k. Buying SosoValue desk will give you 150k. Install desktop app will give you another 150k. Like our app, score and comment in Play Store will give you 30,000. So doing this thing, even without referrals, you can hit that V2. You can hit level 2 without stress. If you have referrals and they are not they have not reached V1 or V2, it's still going to affect you. So even without referrals, you can actually reach that stage. So I have gotten the 6,000 SP. So I'll click on got it. So this is basically what you need to do. Go and do this right away. Go and do this so that you can reach that V2 and be among the people that will share that $30 million SosoValue airdrop in Q2, in Q1 2026. It's very, very near. They have the daily tasks where you like posts. They have the bonus tasks to follow them on S, and you're going to earn 5,000. Let's follow this particular account, and once you follow them, you go back and claim the reward. So this is what you need to do to meet up. You need to do this. Now waiting for the countdown so that I can claim the airdrop, the bonus, sorry.